Right, North American Auto Equipment. We're out here in northern Massachusetts, and we've just installed this Universalift 11KAC-D direct drive. This is my absolute favorite lift of all time. This thing is just, it's simple, the price is right, it does everything you want it to do. Plenty of space between the posts. 118 inches at the mirrors and 108 at the wheels. This low voltage pad switch safety shut off up top. Single point safety release. 12-piece truck adapter system. Everything you want and nothing you don't. Press that love button, and if you need a lift, call Christie. Thank you.